how to clear the Samsung keyboard cache on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and in here, tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset to Default Settings. In here, tap on the Clear Cache item. And so here some additional cache data may remain. You can clear it in the Settings, Apps, Samsung Keyboard, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. So tap on the Clear button. So if you want to clear all the cache out, you want to go back into Settings and then go down to Apps and then look for Samsung Keyboard. So here I'm going to type in keyboard, Samsung Keyboard, and then we go down and tap on data. So let's see where it is. So storage and then cache. So tap on clear cache or clear data, clear cache to clear everything out. To clear data, you can tap on clear data. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.